Yeah, y'all. I got this weak ass sandwich with some macaroni in it. So yeah, I'm doing a mukbang with this weak ass shit. This hospital bullshit. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Well, like, check it out. Fuck asking me about the damn fork, okay? I don't give a damn about the fork right now, bitch. And I'll take this mini fat ass nigga bites on it. Man, alright, y'all. I'm going in for another. I'm finna take a big ass shark bite. Y'all ready? Are y'all ready for this shit? Alright, let's get it.